Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to dive into a fascinating topic. Shares vs. property, which is more profitable. Let's dive right in. So, you might have a wad of cash burning a hole in your pocket, and you're wondering whether to invest in shares or property. It can be a tough decision, so let's break it down. With shares, you have the potential for higher returns if the company does well. However, if things don't go so great, your capital can take a hit pretty quickly. On the other hand, with property, there's more stability and less risk involved. But remember, that stability also means less potential for significant gains. Now, let's talk about some real-life scenarios. I got an email from someone who made 500 grand from buying a rental property and holding onto it for 5 years. Sounds pretty good, right? But then there's this guy who lost over $500,000 because he went all in on one share, and it didn't work out. Ouch. In conclusion, both shares and property can be profitable investments, but it really comes down to your risk tolerance and financial goals. So, weigh your options carefully before diving in. Ultimately, the choice between shares and property comes down to your risk tolerance and financial goals. If you're looking for a stable cash flow and moderate capital growth potential with less risk involved in managing your portfolio directly, or through self-managed super fund SEPs, then shares may be the way to go. On the other hand, if you prefer higher cash flow and capital growth, with less risk of managing your portfolio directly or through an SEP, then property is probably your best bet. Thanks for tuning in today. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more great content like this one. Until next time, happy investing.